Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Welcome to Living on the Edge. I hope you all having a wonderful day. I'm certainly having an incredible day today. I'm very excited today to be on the very new, the biggest at this point of all the ships in the world, the brand new Icon of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. This is going to be a very interesting 7-night cruise. This is the second actual official sailing of the ship. So on this particular video, I would like to take you around the balcony room and show you what it's all about. So without further ado, as always, let me take you around this gorgeous brand new room. Okay, my friends, let's begin, of course, with the entrance to this beautiful room. And the first thing that actually distinguished this room from other balcony rooms that I experienced with Royal Caribbean is that the entry door is slightly more away from your living space and your bedroom area. Not only that, you have this wooden frame that it's pre-lit ceiling to floor, and it gives you a very nice, sort of luxurious feeling, home away from home vibe when you enter your room. I also really appreciate having now those 3 hooks here on the side, because normally I would bring my own magnets. We all know the tricks how to make your room more comfortable. I don't think I really need those this time with Icon. So that's very nice. And of course, let me show you where we are. We're at deck number 8, room number 8528. It's the very beginning of the ship, so let's hope Icon is big enough not to rock. But yeah, 8528, right where the red line is. And as you initially walk into the room, you see this mirror on the side. It's a full-length mirror, floor to ceiling, yep. And of course you have here your thermostat, the new kind. When you tap on that, very customizable. You have preset items here like morning, evening, movie, sleep. You can dim your lights, you can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, whatever you might need to make your stay comfortable. Let me start, of course, with the storage in this room, because there's quite a lot for a room this size. First of all, hi friends, let's open the mirror here, and behind it we can see that we have quite a few shelving storage. Very spacious. Here you have your safe. The safe is a little bit pushed into the wall, and I will show you what happens on the other side. That being said, the safe is very spacious. It's not big enough for a computer, in my opinion, but it's big enough for your personal items, passport, wallets, anything you might need. Hello again. And as we look on this side, this is your closet. Let's start with a long portion of it on the right hand side. And when we open this door, this area has hanging on top is a little bit more narrow space. It has 2 hooks on the side, and this box you see here, it's basically your safe that slightly sticks into this area. Next to it we have additional door, much wider space, hanging here. This is my stuff, excuse me for that. And a new feature that, again, never seen before on Royal, is those 4 baskets underneath. So those are very customizable. You can take them out, you can push them in, you can move them around the room as you wish. Very new feature. Now, of course, we have the sofa bed here. And I did try to open it for you guys to see if it's a queen sleeper. However, I didn't find a way to do that. So I would assume it might accommodate a 3rd person. I'm not sure it can accommodate more than that. If you stayed in one of those rooms or have any other information, please comment below. But as of right now, I would say this room can accommodate either 2 or 3. Across from the sofa, you have your desk, which is combined with a storage unit. And you have quite a few drawers here. There's a beautiful chair here. Very comfortable, I have to say. And I do really like the design. So the room is very pastel and quiet colors. And here and there you will have a pop of color, like the yellow chair here. Very nice. You have a drawer here. Let me move it for you. They put here some, I think it's a small magazine with how Icon was made, things like that. Some book here. You have drawer over here. You get napkins, of course. Additional two drawers below, pretty deep. Another drawer on this side with your hair dryer and the breakfast menu slips. Should you like to pre-order your breakfast and leave those on the door the night prior? You of course have here your mini fridge. It's not big enough for big items, but it's pretty useful for all you might need for your 7-night stay. And let me show you the outlets on this ship, because honestly it's one of the things that many times are very challenging when cruising, especially when vlogging and making, using equipment and trying just to charge things, because I don't feel that normally we have enough of those. Not only you have here UK/US plugs, you have 2 USB slots here, you have, I think it's a European one, but on the other side you even have 2 USB-C connections, which is very, very new. You have a pre-lit mirror here. Again, hi guys. And of course, you have your bed area. Now it's configured to the Royal King, and it can be separated. You just need to ask, of course, your room attendant. I believe they will use this space here. They will slightly move this nightstand to the side and separate the beds for your convenience. Now, each of those lights next to the bed, has a USB plug once again, so each of the guests can charge their phone at night. Across from the bed you will have your TV, very generous size for a balcony room. We have this beautiful wooden frame which is pre-lit. Again, this yellow accent which I very like. And I can show you from this side because there's additional shelving storage space that you can use here right next to your TV. And again, 2 additional USB ports. Very convenient. I do appreciate the new attention to details and the design. Those rooms really look welcoming. For example, if we look on the curtains, the holders for the curtains now, it even looks a little bit like leatherette. Very, very cute. Small things that makes your stay very special. And of course, on this side, you also have USB charge port, but not only that, you would have also a regular outlet here. Now the switch that you see right up top of it, it's a master switch, so if you would like to turn off the lights from your bed without getting up, you can definitely do that. Now let me take you to a very special place in this room, which again was redesigned compared to other balcony rooms on Royal. And it's your bathroom. So the doors are now, of course, magnetic. We have seen those before, I think, on Wonder of the Seas, but it's now magnetic. And when you open this space, I feel like it feels bigger than it is. This is your commode. You have your sink, of course, across from it. Pre-lit mirror. What I do really appreciate is the shower size. It is very, very, very spacious. Let me open it for you, because even that, it's very different. If you see now, it's opening this way. So it's going basically half inside without taking the space in your bathroom floor. I hope the camera can show you the space size, but it's very generous in size. I mean, there's even a bench here, and I can easily sit on that. You have 2 hooks inside. You have, of course, your towel rack. For the balconies, you have all-in-one Salt plus Breeze hair and body wash. And right to the side of your commode, you have additional storage. So you have all those shelvings here. Hello friends again. This is your sink area. You have a hook over here. You have additional 3 shelving spaces here with some charging outlets. You have some shelving here. And if that wasn't enough, guys, let's see. This thing slides out and you have some more storage space. I would say it is very, very, very generous for a balcony room. Yeah. Now, of course, without keep you waiting longer, let me show you the balcony. So again, we are on deck number 8. We're almost all the way forward. We have slightly new design of the chairs. Those, of course, fold a little bit back, so you can extend the back of the chair and recline your back. In this particular room, we actually have a full-length wall on one of our sides, which gives you a little bit more privacy. We're still in the port of Miami, so this is your view. I would say there's no obstruction whatsoever for this particular room. So hopefully when we are sailing away, we can just enjoy the clear water. And this would be your beautiful balcony area. You have your, of course, ottomans slash, I don't know how you call it, feet stool. So you can basically use this chair as a lounger. Yeah. And of course you have your light above the door. Well friends, this is the deluxe balcony ocean view on the beautiful icon of the seas. I'm very excited for the next coming 7 nights. It's a very new room. There's a lot of new features, as you can see. Something refreshing, something new. It definitely feels like maybe a new era for Royal Caribbean and hopefully for the whole industry in general. If you have, as always, any comments, requests, questions, please comment below. Do not forget to subscribe. As always, I'm asking you to do that so I can just keep doing what I like to do most. And until next time, I'm your Hedge.